Hello friends, I'm going to make chickpeas salad. It's very delicious and very easy. Let's make it now. 200 gram of chickpeas, 1 small onion, 1 medium size of chopped tomatoes, 1 slice of cucumber, chopped cucumber, lemon juice, salt to taste, crushed red pepper, some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now let's mix very good. Fresh green coriander. Let's mix again. Our chickpea salad is ready. Now let's serve it. It's very easy to make. It's very good for weight loss. My friends, please follow me and share with others. Thank you very much. Hello friends, I'm going to make cheese bread today. So I covered this pan with the bread. Now let's put cheese on the top, and I'm using a mozzarella. Let's cover this all with cheese. This is the first layer of cheese. So friends, I put another layer of bread on cheese, and now let's put the cheese again. I'm using mozzarella. You can use any kind of cheese you want or you like. Now let's take 4 eggs. Now let's use milk cream, heavy cream. Let's put some salt on top, and also let's put some black pepper. Let's mix very good. Let's put eggs and cream on top. Now let's wait about 20 minutes.